For a long, long time, this tractor, the Magnum, was just a bunch of wonderful ideas waiting to be born. A whole list of breakthroughs that a lot of people at Case IH were hungering to make happen. You see, it wasn't our idea to build just another new tractor. No, sir. We had a grander idea than that. We were going to build the tractor. The tractor that could take an evolutionary jump ahead of everything else with a drawbar. A true state-of-the-art tractor. Ambitious? Yeah, but you don't know how ambitious. Because what we had to do before we could build the state-of-the-art tractor was build the state-of-the-art factory. Correction, factories. Case IH refurbished and renewed both the transmission and assembly plants. Cleaned them out, floor to ceiling, side to side, end to end. Cleaned out the old equipment and with it, older methods of manufacturing. A radical piece of industrial surgery. The old machines had done the job all right, turned out tens of thousands of fine, productive tools for America's farms. But yesterday's equipment didn't fit into the plans that we had for tomorrow's tractor. So it was out with the old and in with the new. Now, new meant more than some shiny machinery on the floor. New meant the most advanced production processes in the industry. New meant automated manufacturing and materials handling, smart factories, because a lot of the orders are carried out by computer. Why, some of the machines have IQs so high they actually check out their own work to make sure tolerances are right on the money. Imagine that. But you know something? All the silicon chips and robots in the world aren't by themselves going to let you build a truly advanced tractor. You can put together a kind of high-technology dream like this and still have nightmares when it comes to the finished product. So, what do you need to make it all come together? What's missing that'll make these plants true state-of-the-art? Why, a skilled workforce. Case IH has a bumper crop of quality personnel schooled in tractor making over decades. Case IH handpicked the best for building the best. The following are two short informational programs which we thought you'd find useful. The first features the 3-point hitch operation and cab instrumentation of the new Magnum series tractors, and the second is an overview of the new transmission.
If you're building a tractor for a new age, an age of great challenge, then you must design and build a tractor that fulfills not only fundamental expectations, but also anticipates the future. A future that will place higher demands on our resourcefulness. A future where productivity must be linked with greater reliability, performance, and efficiency. Case IH anticipated the future by meeting a design and manufacturing challenge that established new standards by which tractors are judged and measured. No longer would Case IH compete in the marketplace. They would determine the marketplace. They would build a tractor that no one else was prepared to build now. And now, the Case IH commitment to a new age has begun with Magnum, a tractor so advanced in design and manufacture that it has no equal anywhere. Early on in the creation of Magnum prototypes, there was a realization that an ideal had been reached. The Case IH challenge of quality. Quality built in with every part and at every step of the manufacturing process was being achieved. Crucial to the success of the Case IH challenge was the input of farmers themselves. We talked to farmers in both family and corporate farms. Ideas were developed until an engineering and manufacturing consensus was reached that would achieve what the farmer wanted and what the future needed. A tractor capable of extraordinary productivity. A tractor that provides total comfort and ease of operation. A tractor that achieves superb control. In short, a tractor to be known as Magnum. It's immediately evident that a superior lighting package distinguishes this tractor. Its night vision powerfully illuminates the field. Round-the-clock farming is accomplished much more easily. Landscape, crops, and implements are fully visible with the new Case IH-designed wraparound halogen lighting. Extraordinary floodlights feature precision pattern Lexan lenses that uniformly distribute light across the ground. Magnum has lamps where they belong to eliminate dust and glare problems. Daytime visibility is outstanding. The unparalleled visibility from the cab is a mark of superior design and engineering. Design and engineering that has cleared away traditional obstructions. Gone are the air cleaner and exhaust stack that mar the operator's view. In their place are wide expanses of tinted glass. Unobstructed views, fore, aft, and to the sides, combine to create total visibility for all operational situations. The 7100 series cab reveals close attention to ergonomics. Operator comfort determined its design. Productivity and performance mandated its features. Everywhere one looks in this precision-crafted space, organization and comfort considerations are apparent. From the relaxed feeling gained from sitting in a multi-adjustable swivel seat, to the calming experience created by a superior pressurized cab that keeps dust and noise out and heating and cooling efficient. All the operational controls are conveniently located on the right-hand side. There, a single lever gear selector and low-effort remote hydraulic levers are carefully positioned and angled to complement the operator's reach. Rocker switches, designed to simplify and speed operator actuation of tractor functions such as PTO, differential lock, and mechanical front drive, point to the dramatic development of the 7100 series cab as a sophisticated operational control center. Significant among the operational controls is the hitch raise-lower switch, part of a revolutionary system that provides total electronic control of the hitch. The hitch controls provide a simple and convenient way for the operator to adjust the implement load, travel, response speed, position, and drop rate. Once these controls are set, they're set for the application. Then only minor adjustment might be necessary. With the simple flip of this switch, implement operation and soil condition mesh perfectly, time after time after time. Electronic hitch control, a remarkable system that eases operator fatigue and absolutely increases productivity. At the heart of the 7100 series monitoring system is the Intelligence Center 2, an onboard computer with the most advanced instrumentation package available in the industry. Together with our true ground speed sensor, the Intelligence Center 2 will allow the operator to closely monitor performance. It's a superb tool that will readily allow the operator to maximize tractor and implement productivity in any application. Significant refinements to the Intelligence Center 2 allow additional monitoring functions, superior graphic readouts, and simultaneous multiple displays that will enhance operator awareness and comprehension. The Intelligence Center 2 creates a unique and vital link between operator, tractor, implement, and specific field applications. The Case IH challenge has been met. Case IH has made a commitment to a new age with the remarkable Magnum, a tractor that will master the field.
Building the best. If that seems a bold claim for the Case IH 7100 series in the face of our competition, it's meant to be. One of the key components that makes it possible is a transmission that delivers unrivaled performance, dependability, and durability, one that's built like no other. This transmission isn't merely designed and manufactured to the highest standards in the industry. It's destined to establish a whole new set of standards. Coupled to an all-new high-technology NCE engine, it's the only transmission in the field with 18 full power shift forward speeds and power shuttle between forward and reverse as standard equipment. Its on-the-go, no-clutch shifting makes for easy work cycles and low fatigue. It's also the only transmission with a soon-to-be-available full power shift creeper option. Shifting into the creeper speeds is as simple as flipping a lever and then shifting into the creeper gear of your choice. It's ideal for work that demands slower than slow speeds, like pulling heavy PTO-driven implements, even at full power. This exclusive Case IH option adds 6 speeds forward and 1 reverse for working between 0.5 and 2.1 miles per hour. That's as slow as 44 feet per minute. Perfect for equipment like a 1682 combine, even with a bumper crop of the field. And the 18 forward speeds provide unmatched flexibility, whether roading or working in the field. Adding the creeper package, you have a total of 24 speeds, so there's no need for compromise when selecting the speed for any application. And for easy operation, the speed control incorporates the very best in ergonomic design. It features a single lever placed within easy reach for all forward and reverse speeds, neutral and park. All forward power shift speeds are in a straight line for simple operation, and positive detent positions lets you field your way through the full range of speeds. Thanks to its close ratio shifting, speed changes are always smooth and controlled. Both the ride and shift quality are the best available anywhere. There's no abrupt speed changes, just smooth as silk transfers of power from the engine to the wheels. Shuttling between forward and reverse is smooth and easy too, again with full power shift ease and no clutching needed. And just look at the control the transmission provides for inching back to hitch up implements. With its large master clutch, you can start the tractor in any gear. And the optional mechanical front drive is designed in, not added on. It's engageable and disengageable on the go. You get centerline drive and outstanding ground clearance. These are the highlights of the transmission's performance features, and we'll be seeing more of them. But there's another side of the story that makes this transmission really special. And for that, we need to look inside. One look at the gears reveals the kind of quality that's built into every 7100 series transmission. They're precision ground for a perfect mesh and long operation without wear. Precise machining controls their dimensional accuracy to within 1 micron or 40 millionths of an inch. And with that kind of precision, the gears glide smoothly across rows of fine needle bearings for an absolute minimum of friction and horsepower loss. To minimize horsepower loss even further, the drive elements rotate above the oil sump level. Our transmission is fully pressurized for positive lubrication at all times, and a generous flow of oil to the clutches assures extended service life and performance. Routine service is easy too, with convenient access to the transmission fluid dipstick and fill point. And here's something you'll appreciate. Our transmission uses the same Hytran Plus oil as other Case IH products, so you don't have to stock multiple blends. An indicator on the instrument panel tells when it's time to change the filter. And the oil filter's location and spin-on design make changes a breeze. Just reach behind this protective shroud. The filter's vertical mounting makes it easy to remove and eliminates messy oil spills. When we set out to design and manufacture Magnum, our goal was clear: to build the very best tractor available anywhere, feature by feature, part by part, component by component. We've supported our commitment with a major investment in the plant and the retraining of our entire workforce in new systems and procedures. At the heart of it all is a concept known as Statistical Process Control, or SPC. SPC is a proven system for eliminating manufacturing mistakes before they happen. It's a system in which the performance of a manufacturing process itself is gauged by carefully monitoring changes in whatever is being produced. With as many as 2,000 parts going into every 7100 series transmission, that's a tall order. But SPC is up to the task, and it's at work everywhere. Quite simply, it assures us all of the highest quality possible. The quality of every component is certified before moving on to the next stage of production. If it doesn't measure up, it isn't used. Period. This is true for parts that we purchase as well as parts that we make. Rather than working with an attitude of, "We'll catch it later," each worker looks at the next worker on the line as his own very best customer. In other words, there's no second chance for first quality work. Zero defects is the rule, not the goal. Several flexible manufacturing cells with numerically controlled machining centers machine the major castings used in the transmission. Here, parts are also drilled, milled, bored, reamed, and tested to extremely close tolerances. Each cell produces between 3 and 6 different parts at a time, but quickly changes to a different mix of parts with a simple change in programming. Thus the term flexible cells. These machines are made by the most respected names in the business and are known worldwide for their superior quality. We buy the best to build the best. In the assembly area, similar procedures and practices are followed to assure the very best built transmissions possible. The pride of workmanship that permeates the manufacturing process continues here. With our new labor contract, decades of piecework went out the window overnight. Now, compensation is based on quality, not quantity. Our contract is a benchmark for the industry with real incentives for the best work. You can really sense the pride at work here. Everything is checked. and checked again. When a transmission receives final approval for shipping to the tractor assembly plant, you can be sure it's passed the toughest tests and meets the toughest standards in the industry. The 7100 series transmission is a prime example of the total quality you'll be selling. We're sure you'll catch our enthusiasm when you've had a chance to get behind the wheel yourselves. You'll be saying with pride that Case IH is indeed building the best.
There's more to tell, a bunch more that we don't have time to get into here. You can check out the rest of the chapters at your Case IH dealer. Meanwhile, we hope you found this preview of the new Magnum series tractors worthwhile. We're excited about it. It isn't often that you get a chance to make a big jump out ahead of the competition. And when you do, you just can't help bragging a little. I hope this little visit gave you some ideas on moving out ahead. One of these state-of-the-art tractors could help you create the state-of-the-art farm.
The greatest harvest ever seen is one that's yet to be. Wherever fields are rich and green, here's a place for you and me. No matter where our nation goes, we've got our work to do. For every generation knows the farmer must come through, and we'll be there forever, farmers working as one, coming through together to do what has to be done. With Case IH beside us, helping people who care, we work the land hand in hand, and whatever comes, we'll be there. The winds of change are blowing now, just feel it in the air, and we know where we're going now. There's a dream that we all share. We put our hearts into the land, we dedicate our lives to making sure that through the years the precious dream survives, and we'll be there forever, farmers working as one, coming through together to do what has to be done. With Case IH beside us, helping people who care, we work the land hand in hand, and whatever comes, we'll be there. With Case IH beside us, coming through everywhere, we work the land hand in hand, and whatever comes,